Maha, everybody, greetings. Abusia Nananum. My name is Nanayao Samoa Koko Sapon. I am the son of Ogogoheni Nana Kwame Koko Sapon. I'm here to enjoy the festivities and support Nana Tuda. He's been a mentor to me. He has been guiding me and teaching me about community. So I'm here not only as a supporter, but I'm also here as a witness. I am doing a documentary on my father and Nana Kofi Tuda and all the chiefs here in America. I am a child of that bond created between Ogogo and here in America. So I'm here to further elaborate and document and establish and tell our story to the masses. So greetings. Thank you. So I'm also doing the documentary because this December my father will be celebrating 50 years as Gogo Henny. So in conjunction, as well as 30 years for Nana Tuda, and so I want to make sure that the story is done properly and the masses will receive it to show that this culture is established here in America, and even though it was taken away from us, we are here to claim it back and claim what's ours. Madasi.